my was architect Ravi Soma from Indian Clinic Council and after CI Clean Pro Eco Level. IQUBX, I think, way back in maybe 5-6 years back, they won the first Eco Level in New Delhi especially. And they're actually often green, or off of the green you can say, they're actually spearheading green in the aluminum sector especially, and interiors especially. When the architect designs interiors of a corporate office, definitely we insist that they could use IQUBX aluminum products because they have lower inward backward, because they also have Type 1 Eco Label received, and they're also pursuing LCA for the products very soon. So this is actually one of the best things to happen for a green products. For information, we have green interiors, which actually promotes sustainable materials. Green products are part of ready programs. We talk about the phones, we talk about new buildings of IGBC or natural waves or natural apartment buildings. One of the important element is to procure eco-labeled products as per the design. So architects, interior designers normally endorse eco-labeled products also as part of their sustainable journey. Thank you so much.